In today's digital age, chatbots are becoming popular like lightning, and ChatGPT is one of the most advanced chatbots out there. From customer service chatbots to language translation applications, the uses for ChatGPT are vast and varied. ChatGPT is a powerful new machine learning technology that has a massive range of potential applications in the business world. From chatbots to natural language processing, marketing and sales to research, ChatGPT algorithms are increasingly being used to automate tasks and provide businesses with insights into customer trends and market insights. With its powerful capabilities, ChatGPT is likely to become even more popular in the business world as businesses leverage its capabilities to improve customer experiences and gain a competitive advantage. Chatbots. One of the most common and practical uses of ChatGPT is in developing chatbots. ChatGPT algorithms are used to generate natural language text that mimics human conversation. For example, if a customer asks a simple question such as, "What time do you open?" a chatbot powered by a ChatGPT algorithm would be able to respond with a natural-sounding answer, which would make the customer feel as though they are talking to a human. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT technology has been used in customer service roles, such as providing customer support when a company website is unavailable, or helping customers troubleshoot their devices. Moreover, chatbot-powered customer service systems are becoming increasingly attractive to companies due to their cost-saving potential and ability to respond to customer inquiries quickly. Use it as a search engine. A search interface is another method to use ChatGPT. Users can interact with ChatGPT in the chat box and raise their queries, and the AI chatbot will take your input and generate information and solutions for users within a few minutes. While the results and data are limited to 2021, they can still provide original answers and data. The AI chatbot also tends to improve its responses by learning from the interactions taking place with the user. Over time, it tends to become more accurate and personalized. Marketing and sales. ChatGPT can be used to make marketing and sales messages that are clear and helpful. For example, a ChatGPT algorithm can be taught to make targeted sales messages for a company's customers by looking at customer reviews or data from past sales campaigns. Also, ChatGPT algorithms can be used to make descriptions of products and marketing copy for a company's goods and services. This can save a lot of time and money for businesses that sell a lot of products. Coding. AI chatbots like ChatGPT have made it easier for users to learn how to code. ChatGPT produces various pieces of code for a variety of programming languages present in the market. It can provide accurate syntactical feedback, suggesting enhanced ways to create code based on widespread algorithms and data structures. Natural language processing. ChatGPT is also being used to enhance natural language processing capabilities. NLP is a field of AI that focuses on using computer algorithms to interpret and process language. ChatGPT algorithms can be trained to understand the nuances of human language, making them ideal for NLP tasks such as text summarization, keyword extraction, and sentiment analysis. Build a CV and cover letter. Creating CVs is the most important part of the job process, and ChatGPT can help users create an effective CV and even a cover letter that can enhance their chances of getting your desired job. ChatGPT can create resumes for every job posting. You can simply ask ChatGPT to generate a cover letter and CV for a job application, and it will create a productive CV and cover letter within seconds that can help you get the job. Data analysis and analytics. ChatGPT can be used to automate data analysis and analytics tasks. For example, a ChatGPT algorithm can be used to generate real-time reports on customer trends and market insights. This could be pretty handy for companies that need to analyze large data sets quickly and accurately. Also, ChatGPT algorithms can be used to generate automated insights from large data sets, such as customer trends and market insights. A company's data team could use that. What are your thoughts on AI? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to watch more insightful videos, click on your screen now, and we'll see you there.